All right, so this was the fastest time I've ever gone through Frank & Son's Collectibles. Santa Claus. Wow. Look, Chucky. $75. I used to have these. I don't know if I still got them or not. Dang. It's a little warm in here today. All of it, yeah.
Ask him que te lo saque, papi.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry.
Yes, actually got that closed off. Let's see.
Well, good luck, guys. Nobody has it. I don't know. Oh, what's that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Honey.
Could that be the end of month? Because then I will finally stop looking for him.
It's one of the vendors I want to go inside, but they got it closed off. I don't know. This is, I guess, like this one's closed. Maybe. Still want to get my sword, Thundercat sword. Oh look, what is that thing? Squid Game. Squid Games. $60.
I'm not saying that. I mean, Sierra's much more like a
$135. What the hell is this? $135? That's freaking expensive, bro. Maximum Series Hulk, $80. $55. I want this one. Maximum Series Spider-Man. Oh, Death's Head. Superhero. $55 for that one. How much is that one? Oh, I can't see the price on that one. I know, maximum. I might get that one. 55 bucks.
But it was based on a lie. Dating site. He was in college. Her. Him. He's not. He was working. He was self-employed. I know the other guy, but I'm waiting for him. I didn't talk to him.
25 bucks. Ooh, it is hot.
No, we're just looking. Really? Yes. There you go.
Fire Lord. Got Thundercats. Which one of these? Humra. No lino. Why is it so hot in here today?
I didn't see that one. This guy? Yeah, I didn't see that one. I didn't see his.
Rock Python.
Well, that's the grease one. What does he go for? Liver knife. Oh yeah. When you get rid of his shield, he gets death.
So I did see all this.
Oh. He throws his shield on his back. That's where it goes.
I thought all of this was just. Should I still?
That's up you, man. So the blue, green is fantasy, blue is missions,
140 bucks.
pink is sisters.
Alright, I think I might get this. Labubus are everywhere. Labubus are everywhere. Oh, what is this? Sunfire. Excuse me. Excuse me. NFTs, okay. What about it?
And you want the dude, people?
Labubus.
So why is that one 40 and the other one 60?
Oh no.
That's more my size.
That's the thing. La Boo Boos.
I'm saying I would know the difference between the $40 one.
Yeah, I know.
That's the new cigar. We have them for 40.
40? Okay. Do you have the other guy? That what's his name?
Oh, Blanc?
What you do?
They wouldn't let me film in there.
Oh.
I was like, there's no signs. So I just filmed from out here.
I'm lucky I got this when I did. Yeah, they were fine. I got them like
75,
for whatever back when they were over there. And now they're expensive everywhere.
I think I've seen them, and if I have, I don't remember.
Remember I even made their living room?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's expensive. I just bought mine for 55.
Oh, right here.
Maybe you got your Game Over Spider-Man here. Oh, that's cool. 35 bucks. I don't know, I might get that one. It looks pretty cool. See, I have a majority of these G.I. Joe figures already. Wait for them to come up with new ones. 35 bucks. Thing's getting crazy. Labubu's. Little bit accessories. I don't know. This is the fastest I've ever been to Frank & Sons. All right, heading out now.
I guess I get it.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. All right, so this was the fastest time I've ever gone through Frank & Sons Collectibles in La Puente. I think it's La Puente. I always forget the city name. But anyways, the fastest time, I think I did 20 minutes. 20 minutes at Frank & Sons. I pretty much went in, and I pretty much went out. But let me show you what I got today. All right, so I went to 3 vendors. And like I said, one of the reasons why it was a quick Frank & Son trip was because we had a birthday party to go to, and my wife was with me. So I pretty much had to just go in and out. And because I felt bad for having her just stand around while I shop. But yeah, I had a few vendors that I had in mind that I usually go to, and this is what I got. Got this Dr. Mindbender, 40 bucks. I'm still waiting on this one. I haven't seen this one, but I pretty much got these 2. Got the Rock and Roll. Again, I have these on pre-order right now, but I'll just pay that little bit of extra money just to have them in hand, because I do want to take some pictures of these figures, you know, set them up in a scene or a display, and you know, put them out there. But yeah, this is what I got, and I'm excited. These 2 were on the shelf on the peg, and I saw them. This one guy right in front of me was standing in front of them, just kind of like debating whether to get it or not. and dude missed out. Dude missed out. He walked away, and I swooped right in there. So I got those the figures. I was looking at them. Initially, I was just gonna only get one, the Dr. Mindbender, and the rock and roll was. I was looking at it, put it back on the peg, and as I put it back on the peg, it was just swinging back and forth. And I said, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna get the rock and roll. And luckily I did, because the guy that left was kind of like behind me talking to the vendor and said, oh man, he got it. So he was like talking about me picking up the rock and roll. And I'm so glad I got it, because he just looks badass. Rock and roll. This is like the retro rock and roll that I remember growing up. But yeah, I finally got Dr. Mindbender and rock and roll. Like I said, I got them on pre-order, but they're not going to be here for another few months, so I can't wait to open these up. So I got these two from one vendor. And I told myself I wasn't gonna get this one because I don't know. I'm trying to cut back from Spider-Man figures, but I had to. Everybody else is getting it, so I had to get it myself because he does look pretty cool. The Maximum Spider-Man. So I did get it. Hopefully this Spider-Man doesn't have any like defects, because I've seen some videos, other people's figures, they got like lining defects, and it's just terrible. But I'm hoping this one's not terrible. But yeah, they had a whole bunch of these at Frank & Sons, and I was like, wow. This one vendor was selling for 55 bucks, Toy Arena. Another vendor was selling for 75 bucks. I'm like, what? $75 for this. I'm like, that's outrageous price, man. Maximum Series Spider-Man, got it. Finally got it in hand. They had the Hulk, but I'm not much of a Hulk collector, and I was like debating whether to get it, but I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna put it back. I don't even think I have one Hulk figure. I do have. Well, let me tell you, I do have one Hulk figure. It's the Hulk's son. I mean, I don't even know about this dude, this figure, so I haven't even opened it. So I might have to just do a giveaway on that or sell it or something, but I'm not a big fan of the Hulk, so oh well. Last figure that I want to show you guys. I didn't realize how massive this box was. Oh my gosh, this figure is kind of big. Oh my gosh, like wow, he's huge. Look at that. Street Fighter 2 Sagat. Like, what the heck? I know people were talking about how big this box was, but my gosh, this is a big box. I don't really have. I don't have the Jada Toys, the actual like smaller box, but I do open up the figures, so I don't keep the boxes. I just toss them out. I recycle them. But dude, this is huge. Wow. I can't wait to get this guy open. This is, wow. But yeah, they had a few of these Sagats at this one vendor. I think I may have counted like seven of these figures, 40 bucks. Again, I pay a little bit of, the price because I do want to have it in hand. A lot of these I have on pre-order, but they're not gonna get it till like what, August, October time frame, and I'm like, you know what, I want it now. I want it now. So sometimes you had to pay a little bit of a price to just get it in hand. But yeah, so God, look at, I believe that is it. I believe that is it. Yeah, I think that was it. I went to, yeah. So I have a lot of figures to unbox. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to get that routine again, where I'm just collecting and buying them, and I'm not even. I'm not even catching up with my unboxing. That's what I'm saying. It's like it's coming in too fast, and I can't get the unboxing. I may have to do like a live stream unboxing and just unbox them on live, you know, just to get it open, you know, and then and display them back there. But yeah, so just to recap, I got these two and Rock and Roll and Mindbender. Bro, look at that. Whoops. Oh God. Too excited. But yeah, I got these two. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this real quick video of my visit to Frank & Sons. This was the quickest time in Frank & Sons that I've ever gone. I think the longest time was 3 hours at Frank & Sons. But that was like when I was really searching aisle by aisle. But now that I know where all my favorite vendors are, I just go in and I go out. But 20 minutes was the fastest time I've ever gone at Frank & Sons. I think the longest time was trying to find parking. Oh my gosh, you have to get to Frank & Sons early, because if you get there late in the afternoon, wow, trying to find parking is ridiculous. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel down below. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you are a viewer of mine and you want to be entered for the giveaway, make sure you guys keep track, because at 2,000 sub, I'll be doing some giveaways. I have a bunch of G.I. Joe figures, especially the Breaker Ram Cycle combo. I'm gonna be giving that away, so stay tuned and put that notification bell on so that way you'll know when I upload a new video. All right, I'll see you guys next time.